It's a nice, beautiful, peaceful spot. I haven't been here in a long time. Up there is Castle Rock. I come down here today to get a fish. Got my fishing rod, bucket of worms, backpack full of other stuff. This is a great place for gold panning as well. Absolutely gorgeous, peaceful, quiet, not a soul around. And there's fish jumping. I'd like to get at least two. Needless to say, I gotta wait for the trains to stop and go through before I can do the fishing because they're making too much noise. If I get a fish, I want to video it that I got a fish. They're jumping way over there. One just jumped right in front of me. Well, I got the first one. It ain't as big as I'd like. Yeah, there it is. Nice little rainbow. There we go. Fish number one. Well, I got one fish to take home. It's clouding over and it's really smoky here. So I decided to call her quits and go home and get something done there. Look, it's a passenger train. Rocky Mountaineer. Sorry if I'm a bit shaky right now. I had to climb that cliff face. Legs a bit wobbly after that. About 3 years ago, I made a video of that bluff face right there. A couple of videos that I was up there. I'm not going to climb that today. So I'm on my way home. A cup of tea, and I guess I'm going to have to run the still today. And I'll show you the fish I got when I get it home. It's not as big as I like, but it'll do. Well, all I got was a 9-inch rainbow that I had to keep because the way it swallowed the hook, when I pulled it out, its gills had gotten sliced by the hook, and it would have bled out anyways. So I brought it home, and instead of wasting it, I'll eat it. Now, I'm lucky to have gotten this fish. With the amount of spawning salmon in the river right now, and the amount of eggs that the trout are eating because of the spawning salmon, I was lucky to even get a few bites that I had. And I'll try again another day for a bigger fish.